Sumif formula is conditional formula which sum the values according to the criteria we give. If I want to sum up the values based on the criteria which I will give in the formula, so how can I do this? Let's start writing the formula. It starts with is equal to SUM. So you will see on second number there is Sumif formula. Press tab. Now the first thing is range. I select this range, and now second thing is, first press comma, second thing is criteria. What is the criteria? The formula will look into the range. For example, I define the criteria here. Here I give the cell reference. I click here, it will call this reference number. Now I'll press F4 to fix it. So next thing is sum range. What is the range in which the formula will sum up the values? My sum range is this column. I will select all this range and then close off bracket. So my formula is complete. If I press enter, now you can see the result. It's a 754. How it works? The formula will look for the criteria which is ST12. It will look for the ST12 shop number and then it will add up the value in the quantity column.